How do you borrow money from Cash App? Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can borrow money from Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to borrow money from Cash App, all you have to do is simply open up the Cash App. Now keep in mind that the borrow option might not be available to all the users. Only a handful of people are picked and then given this option. Not all of them might have this option, and if you don't have, you'll most likely never see them inside your account. Come to the home tab, then tap on the borrow option, then enter the amount you want to borrow, or tap on borrow, or you can tap on get started, or you can enter the amount, which is the given amount here, and tap on the next option. Then all you have to do is you can see borrow details, or you can just tap on the next option as you'd be able to find here. Then you can simply confirm your weekly repayment schedule by tapping on the next option here again. Then once you've done that, you simply need to tap on the borrow instantly option over here, and once you tap on borrow instantly, you'll be able to borrow money from Cash App. This way you can borrow money from Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.